One of the most intriguing and controversial signs of the end times is the modern-day movement to rebuild Israel's temple. Yet despite it being the center of the final end-time conflict, many Christians struggle to understand the significance of this prophetic movement. This book, Rebuilding the Temple, by author Enoch Lavender, features an easy-to-read overview of the current developments, including the ongoing work to restore the temple vessels, the use of DNA technology to identify priests, the challenging topic of the Abomination of Desolation, the surprising potential role of Islam, what the building of the temple will mean for both Christians and Jews. Rebuilding the Temple is a book to help everyday believers to better understand the Third Temple movement and to better prepare themselves for Jesus' soon return. Get your copy now on Amazon.com and all good bookstores.